In this video, we will learn how to grow coriander in waste water bottles. Subscribe and press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update from urban gardening. Today we will use these 4-liter and 2-liter water bottles to grow coriander and spinach. We will cut horizontally and will remove the side portion of the bottle. Your bottles should be large enough to allow room for plants to grow. By cutting horizontally, we will get more growing space. The larger the opening, the easier it will be to maintain it. Plastic bottles make great container for gardening. This is a great way to reuse and recycle. Dig some drainage holes at the bottom surface. For the potting mix, take normal garden soil and organic compost such as vermicompost, leaf compost, cattle manure in equal parts. Fill the bottle with the potting mix. Soaking seeds in water for 12 to 15 hours before planting will help them to germinate faster. Sprinkle the seeds on the soil surface and make sure not to overcrowd them. Cover the seeds with a fine layer of same potting mix. Gently firm the soil with your hand, otherwise seeds will get disturbed while watering. Water well. Keep the bottles in full sunlight and make sure your soil remains little moist during the whole germination phase. After 10 days, after 24 days, small pots or bottles tend to dry out fast, so it is important to water the plants regularly. After 28 days, after 32 days. At this stage, you can harvest coriander leaves from the plants. To harvest coriander leaves, just cut them off 2 to 3 inches above the crown. After harvesting, fertilize the plants with organic compost. After 10 to 12 days, you will be able to harvest again. Water in thoroughly. From a same crop, we can harvest 3 to 4 times, and after that, plant will produce flowers which will turn into seeds.